Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to just briefly tell you guys what's been up, because I haven't really uploaded in like the past 4 months. Just kind of give you guys a rundown of where certain big projects are. So mainly the Jeep. I wanted to just kind of explain what's been going on with the Jeep. So if you're familiar with the channel, sometime last year I uploaded, it was in the spring, I uploaded a Jeep that I was planning to dissect in armor. And it actually got a lot of views, just me talking about kind of the plan, or at least some of the ideas. And thank you guys for so many suggestions, even emailing me some of your designs. I really appreciated all of it. But basically what happened was, I had my son, which was really exciting, and I knew I was going to be a little bit short on kind of free time for a little bit of, for the next year or so. But the other big thing was that I lost my job, and that was the main contributing factor. So I had to find another job. It ended up working out actually better, me losing that job, because now I make way more money than I did at the place I had been working for 5 years. Like, seriously, it ended up being a major blessing. It's just, it was very stressful there for a small amount of time. And those other videos, the 7075 and the laminated HDPE, I was already working on those. So it was easy to finish those and upload it. However, the new job I ended up getting took up a lot of the other free time I would have had, because I was working 10-hour days and often working on Saturdays. Things have slowed down enough though, and we're in a good, stable, happy position, me and my family, that I can finally start dedicating to more projects. So the Jeep is still there. It's still here. I partially got it. I have already been recording stuff on it, and I finally now have the time and a little bit extra money to dedicate to it, right? So I just wanted to immediately talk about that, because so many people have been asking, where's the Jeep? That's what happened, and it's still coming. I promise. I'm not going to stop until I armored that vehicle. Anyways, so this is kind of the plan for the next few months. What I've done is I've acquired a lot of materials that we've both seen on this channel and some new ones. I've been wanting to do a 12x10 Sappa plate insert video for a while, and I'm going to now. I have all the materials to do them. I'm going to be doing right around 12 different plates that will use things like high density polyethylene, very high molecular weight polyethylene, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, polycarbonate, ceramics, some metals, composites, laminated HDPE into composites, and certain resins. This is going to be a culmination of pretty much all the different plates you guys have seen in the small block forums here on this channel. I'm trying to then show you guys how to incorporate them into full Sappa plates and what they would look like and how much they would weigh, with the goal of keeping them under 10 pounds, with some of them all the way down to 5 to 6, all rifle rated, some of which will be able to stop the M855 and the 7.62 by 54R LPS, right? Or, yeah, light penetrator, yeah. What is it? Yeah, this damn thing. I lied, there's no, here it is. Fell over on me. Sorry. This thing. Right, because this is a pretty tough round to stop. So, on top of that, I also have 2 shields I've been working on. 2 kind of, I guess you could say, replica BZT-75s. Both are going to be made out of polycarbonate, woven, with one of them aimed at stopping just pistol calibers and one aiming at like a level 3. So 7.62 by 39, 5.56, that sort of thing. I'm really excited about those. This was brought up by one of the mods on my Discord when we were talking about spaced armor, like the idea of spaced armor, and I haven't really worked on a ballistic shield before. So I'm really liking how they're turning out, and I'm extremely excited. So those will probably be first, then the Sappa plates, and the objective is to go out and shoot a bunch of test footage all in one day. That's what I'm kind of aiming for, is maybe by next weekend, having all these plates done and shooting them up, and then breaking up the next 4 to 5 videos, like one each week, And that should hopefully give me enough time to actually dissect that Jeep completely and start armoring it up so I can give you guys the very first update on the Jeep. Right? So expect the Jeep update after about 4 to 6 videos. We'll just put it that way, because I have a plate carrier that's already stitched and completed. That video is completed. I've been sitting on it. I have these Sappa plates. Some of them are already tested. These shields. I also have a project I'm working on currently with a friend of the channel, Kekistani Armorer. If you've never seen his channel, go check it out. He does terrifying and hilarious things, and I'm very excited to finally actually do a collaboration with him. It will be on this channel and on his, so you'll see both. I'm really excited. We've been having a lot of fun just joking around, and he's quite the character. That Kekistani Armorer, he's quite the character. So, but yeah, so you guys will get full Sappa plates, shields, some cursed thing with Kekistani, and then plate carrier, and then a Jeep build. And then I have other things like helmets that I've already been designing, even another shield that I'm really excited about, because I think it could, I'll save that. I don't even want to think about those projects until I get the things done here. So anyways, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and, there's one other project, can't remember it. I have pretty much done. Yeah. Anyways, shields, Sappas, something with Kekistani, plate carrier, and that other thing, and then you guys will get Jeeps. So you can see in about a month or so, expect an actual vehicle update. And that's going to be pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. A lot of my videos have been blowing up more recently, hence why I wanted to do this, just to let people know what the hell happened and what to expect in the next few months. And like I said, we're just going to keep churning them out, boys. Churning them out. I'm excited. Finally getting some progress forward. So, alright guys, take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one. Also want to mention, you can check out my Discord channel, link in the description. You can follow me on Instagram now. I'm terrible with using social media. I hate it generally, but I do have an Instagram, and I've recently started uploading photos of the projects. Make sure to check out the community tab here on my YouTube page, because I'm also uploading there pretty much once a week. And I'm aiming for not this next Thursday, but the Thursday after, right? Coming up. That's when this will all start, and I'm going to try to aim for every Thursday. Alright, uploading every Thursday. So check back then around that time, and you can also check my community tab if there's not a new video. Okay? Or you can also support me on Patreon. I haven't done anything on there yet, but who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Alright, now it's finally over. Sorry. Bye.